Bitcoin had a bounce from the support in the relative strength index, and we've also seen that bounce right here in the Bitcoin price. Guys, what is going to happen next? Can Bitcoin continue this uptrend, or are we in for a correction? All about that in today's video, guys. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's join into Bitcoin. But before we are zooming on the Bitcoin price action right now, guys, let's go quickly to the video of yesterday and let me share, or let me quickly rephrase what I've been sharing over there. Then Bitcoin is trading in this rising channel, still trading in this rising channel. In the relative strength index, we also just touched the support, and it looks like that we could be seeing a bounce right here in the momentum indicator, but also could be seeing a bounce right here. But it looks like if Bitcoin wants to bounce, it has to do that right now. And then right above us is also this declining resistance, which is the middle of this bigger channel. And if we can break above that level, guys, then I definitely expect that Bitcoin can set on a short-term rally. So this for short-term trade is definitely interesting. Why do I think that Bitcoin could bounce right here? Because if we go to whaleportal.com, we had positive funding rates. We haven't seen the price of Bitcoin declining so much during these times of positive funding. And right now, the current funding, that is the blinking image, right, is negative. So that is actually a good sign that the current funding is negative. So yeah, that is something that I'm watching. We also don't have any warning signal like a lot of Bitcoins being sent to exchange. So guys, yesterday we were actually expecting Bitcoin to bounce due to the fact that Bitcoin didn't move too much with positive funding rates. The funding rates turned negative. We are at support in the relative strength index, and we are at support at the price. Chances, of course, is always that we are going to remain in a certain structure, and we have seen some interesting thing over on the fix. Like I said yesterday also, we most likely roll over a little bit, so that gives a little bit space to risk on assets to pump. So what is going to happen right now? Well, let's go back to Bitcoin and let's have a look at the Bitcoin futures chart. I think, guys, as long as Bitcoin is remaining in this rising channel, we can remain this uptrend. So we gotta hold above 16.6k. That is going to be very important. But it looks like we also right now broke above the middle of this channel, and that is a bigger declining channel. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see that. And if we get a decisive break above this middle of the channel, then as you can see, most of the time we are going to the top of the channel eventually right here as well. Break above the middle, go to the top, break above the middle, go to the top. So it might take some time right here, but we could see Bitcoin going to the top, or at least to these levels right here, which is at roughly 18.5k on the Bitcoin CME futures chart. This is going to be a huge level, guys. This is going to be the 4-hour resistance, the daily resistance, because it has been acting as former support. So if Bitcoin really wants to turn bullish, we have to break above this level. But it does make sense for liquidity and for the Bitcoin price to come up to test this level, even though we want to come down again, that we are testing this level just to back test it as resistance, because it was a former support, at least in the shorter term time frame. Then guys, when we go to whaleportal, we can see that the funding rates remain negative, and right now the current funding rate, which is the blinking funding rate, right, is also negative. That is actually positive for the Bitcoin price, showing that there might be some more fuel in it for the upside. So as long as the funding rates remain negative, I also think that that will be a positive sign for Bitcoin. And right now on the 1 hour time frame, we could be forming some form of a bull flag formation where we have a pump, we consolidate slightly, and we get a further pump later today. That is possible. Like I said, I will remain bullish as long as we hold above 16.6k right here. Of course, we could, if we lose this uptrend right here, which would be at 16.8, 16.9k, that would be already an early sign of testing that level. But I think, true bearishness will come with losing 16.6k. But as of now, it looks like Bitcoin wants to remain in this uptrend and wants to continue to trend up. The middle of the channel, the resistance at the middle of the channel right now is at 17.4. And the resistance of the top of the channel is right now at 18,000 US dollars. And do take in mind, guys, this is the CME futures that we are talking about. So the price with the real Bitcoin chart will be slightly different, okay? However, you can apply the same metric and you can compare them, right? Where is Bitcoin CME trading right now? Where is the real Bitcoin trading right now? And this signal, guys, that we are touching the support and that we are most likely going to go up, we've also shared over on WhaleAlerts. So if you are interested in getting alerts over on Telegram, where you will get alerts about trading, where you will get alerts about the charts that are being presented over on whaleportal. So whenever there's an extreme, for example, in the premium index, there will be an automated signal being sent out to WhaleAlerts Telegram channel, which is very lucrative because that means that you will always be at the right time at the charts, because you at least get a signal. Otherwise, it's difficult because you will need to hunt them right here in the dashboard. And right now, you can still join WhaleAlerts for free, guys. The only thing you need to do is being an active trader. If you are not an active trader, WhaleAlerts anyhow is nothing for you. But if you are an active trader, you gotta trade with our bybit link, and then basically you can sign up for WhaleAlerts and you will be invited for this Telegram channel. So guys, I would highly recommend you to do so, because later, once this product is more finalized, we will be charging a monthly fee for that. But right now, you can just join as an active trader, which will be a permanent entry, and you will not be subject to a monthly fee whenever we are going to change that. Then, guys, we also just updated the Learn section over on the website. I know I've been mentioning this already, but I just think it's very important. We've published 6 articles about the metrics that we are showing over on our website, and I just think it's very important for every single one of you to read these articles to get a better understanding of all these charts that we are showing on whaleportal, because this will definitely up your trading game significantly. And I think, like I said in my other videos as well, guys, I think if you generally have like traders who just use TA, right, they go into the markets and they have like maybe a 80 or 90% chance of losing. But that's actually okay, because that's the same when people start a business. Of course, not every business will succeed. It depends on the person, it depends on the mindset, it depends on the discipline, it depends on the knowledge and so on. But there's a big but. I think if you understand all the charts on whaleportal and you would use regular TA with the charts on whaleportal in the good way, so you don't misinterpret the data, I definitely think that your chances will significantly increase in becoming a profitable trader. So maybe normally the chances are actually 10% that you become a profitable trader. I think using whaleportal will make that definitely 30 to 40%, because you can just get so much information which is not visible in the regular charts, and this is information that has direct impact on the price of Bitcoin, because it is data from Bitcoin derivatives exchange traders. So yeah, guys, that's what I think. Read these charts. If you are interested, of course, sign up to WhaleAlerts. You don't have to. The rest of the data right here is for free, so you can just look at this chart, analyze them. There will be more updates coming, which will make it more easy for you to analyze, but that all in the future. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, smash up that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and I wish all of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.